Guys, if you were wondering what's better off-road, is it a car or a truck? Well, if you look behind me, you'll see that we have both cars and trucks, some of the best off-roaders ever built. And I'm very sad because right now we are leaving my favorite place in the whole world, which is Moab, because we did a really cool comparison where we compared, well, all the vehicles behind me to each other and picked one winner. That's right. And we've got a little behind-the-scenes video that we did actually the other day showing you how we compared the trucks. Now, the day before we showed you how we compared the cars. Now, we are going to edit this monster comparison into, well, one or two big videos, but that's going to take a long time because we spent the whole day shooting. So let's just cut right to Andre and us on the trail comparing some of the best and most off-road worthy trucks there are on the market today.
Here we go. Here's the same challenge, but now with trucks. Here we have the Ford Raptor, TRX, and Gladiator Rubicon.
You got 6 inches?
Here we are on the frame bender, which is a step.
You're about to go over very slowly now. There you go. Oh,
Woohoo!
oh, that is a heavy, heavy truck.
Not as heavy as a TRX.
All right, let's see how badly you scrape coming over the thing.
A little passenger.
All right, you got about 4 feet, dude. 4 feet.
All right, so here.
Oh, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's like a train.
Another zip code by the time it fall off the
All right, you're gonna go over any second now.
Okay, it's going slow.
All right, tell me to get the back of this.
Okay, can you see it?
Slow. Yeah. Slow. Let's see if we hit something. Slow. Oh, that doesn't look good. Oh, we're on the frame.
Oh, it's the hitch. It's the hitch. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Just a hitch scrape.
We didn't,
Pancake the.
we didn't turn the exhaust pipes into that Ford Oval. That's good.
That's a plus.
That's always a plus. What we did, Andre, we did help to erode this slick rock a little bit faster than natural forces would take over the course of millennia.
Well, this is designated trail, so we can do that.
All right, let's see how the TRX does.
So as you guys may have seen, we're doing a 6-vehicle comparison, 3 SUVs and 3 pickup trucks. This is of course a turn to do the trucks. There's Tommy. There's our buddy Hugo from Toy Tech Lifts. Of course our camera crews, Ian and Case. Thank guys. Thanks. And then of course we have our 3 trucks. The SUVs were the 4Runner by Toy Tech Lifts. We had a Land Rover Defender, and then we also had a FJ Cruiser. Now, of course, it's truck's turns, and this is, of course, the frame bender like we showed you, which is a step, and it is about truck versus car. What can be best off-road? This is a world's best off-roader challenge.
Straighten around. Straighten out, driver. A little more, driver. Yep, looks good. A little more, driver.
And here comes the
A
TRX.
little more. There you go. Straight, now you can go straight. That's good.
That's the sound of money.
Just a little bit more that way. Yeah, perfect.
Well, the TRX was made
No, you got
To-
2 feet.
compete directly against the Ford Raptor. As such,
2 inches.
they have very similar clearances, although the TRX has a slight upper
2
hand,
inches. Here you go.
and it's really heavy. Wow! That big Hellcat engine is heavy.
3 feet. 2 feet. 1 foot.
Here we go.
Okay, you're about to go over.
Let's see what's gonna hit. Maybe the hitch, maybe the exhaust.
Oh, there.
There's 1 pipe and a hitch. So kind of a similar story, although not as much of a hitch scrape as much as a tailpipe. driver's side. It's really good, dude. It's driver's side. You scraped the driver.
That's not bad.
There you go. So now it will be the Jeep's turn. Sorry, here's the Jeep coming. And the TRX survives, lives another day. That's amazing. Of course, it's amazing to be here because it's so wonderful and beautiful here in Moab, Utah. This trail is fins and things. So, as you can see, we have a lot of us here filming and trying to do this two-part video. First, SUVs versus truck. Car versus truck. Here comes the Jeep. Sorry about the sun. I'm trying to get you the best angles possible. This is behind the scenes. And of course we can, when we actually edit these videos together for you guys, we have the best in the business. Best crew ever. And these guys do amazing video work and editing work. Here comes the Jeep. It's about to go. Oh, well controlled. Good job, Tommy. Of course, this Jeep is also very long. Long wheelbase.
2 feet. 1 foot. You're about to go over.
Here it is. It's has a 2-inch lift from Mopar. It's riding on 35s.
Listen to that sound of silence. No.
Hitch. It's got hitch.
Oh yeah.
So actually we got 2 slight scrapes. I mean 3. Each truck scraped a little bit.
All right, Andre. So
Yeah.
in this video, all 3 trucks scraped. In the previous video, the only vehicle that didn't scrape was the Defender. So
That's
out of
right.
the 6 vehicles we bought here, only 1 did not scrape.
Yeah, that's just shows how difficult this can be and how, you know, that short overhang on the Defender actually works.
Yeah. Hey, you know, guys, thanks for joining us at this hard day at the office for TFL. And be sure to come back when we actually edit this and, you know, put together a proper comparison and pick a winner. That's going to be the interesting one because right now it's going to be difficult.
Yeah, way difficult.